Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to destination for hands-on insights, expert breakdowns, and smart shopping choices. Today, we're diving into what we call the best bolt-down TV stand currently available on the market. The Vivo Swivel bolt-down TV stand, model stand TV00M4. If you're tired of flimsy tabletop stands or mounts that take up too much space or simply don't offer the stability you're after, this one's worth your attention. Let's unpack everything this product offers, how it works, and whether it's the right choice for your setup. Right out of the box, the Vivo Stand TV00M4 looks robust. It's designed for TV sizes ranging from 32 to 55 inches and can support up to 110 pounds. That kind of capacity means it's not just a lightweight solution for smaller displays, it's meant for heavier, more substantial televisions as well. What makes this stand different is that it bolts directly onto your furniture, whether it's a desk, a TV console, or a cabinet top. This bolt-down feature gives it an incredible level of stability and security. Once installed, your TV isn't just sitting on a base, it's firmly anchored. Now let's talk compatibility. The stand supports VESA patterns from 100 by 100 mm all the way up to 400 by 400 mm. That covers most modern flat-screen TVs on the market. So whether you're mounting an older 32-inch LCD or a newer 55-inch LED screen, you're likely covered. Assembly is impressively simple. The kit includes all the hardware you need, including bolts, spacers, and washers. The instruction manual is clear, and what really makes things smooth is the keyhole pattern on the mounting plate. This design allows you to easily align the TV and drop it into place with minimal effort. One standout feature is the swivel functionality. You get a generous -30 to +30 degrees of swivel range. That means you can angle the screen to face any seating position in the room. Whether you're lounging on the couch, sitting at your desk, or watching from the kitchen, you'll always get a great view. There's even a locking mechanism that prevents the screen from swinging too far and hitting a wall. A thoughtful touch that shows how well engineered this stand is. In terms of aesthetics, it's sleek and minimal. The black alloy steel construction looks sharp and blends well with most furniture styles, from modern to industrial. It doesn't draw attention to itself, it lets the TV be the focus, which is exactly what a good stand should do. Security-wise, this is where bolt-down beats traditional stands. Whether you're in an area with kids, pets, or high foot traffic, this stand gives you peace of mind. No wobbling, no tipping, and virtually tamper-proof once installed. It's also a solid choice for public or semi-public spaces where stability and security matter. So who is the Vivo Swivel bolt-down TV stand for? If you value durability, safety, and adjustability in a compact, clean design, this is a top-tier option. It works great in home setups, offices, dorm rooms, or even for trade show booths. It's easy to install, incredibly stable, and versatile in its range of motion. That's a wrap for this episode of Product Critique. If you're looking for a bolt-down TV stand that delivers on strength, style, and smart design, the Vivo Stand TV00M4 absolutely fits the bill. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next review. See you next time.